Hello YouTube. I was so excited I got a package from Canada. There we go. That means Puzzle Master sent me another box of puzzles and I wanted to share this moment. I obviously opened it to get my address off of there, but I wanted to share this with you, so I'm going to look at the puzzles for the first time with you. Let's do this. Alright, here we go. Ooh. Okay, so I asked for this one. This is a cast level 1 ring puzzle. My hope with this puzzle is that it's going to be the size where it can fit on a finger, because cast ring 2 is massive and does not fit. Oh, it's massive as well. I was thinking by this, it looked like it'd be the size to fit onto a finger. So it's not going to fit on my finger because I'm not a giant, but I will still solve that puzzle and take a look at it, and imagine it will be similar to the other cast ring puzzle. Alright. Honestly, getting a puzzle that's this big is probably a little bit disappointing. This one was really intriguing to me when I said, yeah, I'd be willing to do one of those. It's getting this in and out of this amazing cube. You can't really see the inside of it, and you have to sort of maneuver that piece through it. That'll be fun. And I got a box puzzle. This one here is a secret gift box puzzle. It has 2 pieces there. It looks like it might open that way. We'll see. Oh, apparently the lid comes off. Figuring out how to get to there is going to be fun. Alright, speaking of box puzzles, this one is called the Romanian Puzzle Box. Ooh, it's got hinges. It doesn't just open though. This one is one, and I'm not supposed to pick favorites. I know, I'm a teacher. But I saw this and thought, ooh, that is a sharp-looking puzzle. I really want to get my hands on that one, so I'm very excited that this one was one of them that they chose to send me. Very cool. Romanian box puzzle.
Move the box out of the way. Bring the puzzles back in here.
Okay. Got this one here, another secret opening box puzzle. It shows kind of how it opens, you can see there, but it doesn't tell you how that happens. So that could be a magnet, it could be a gravity one, it could be twisting and slidings on the side. So I thought that it looked really cool with the two-tone colors.
So I asked for that one.
Another Hana Yama ABC puzzle. This is a level 1 puzzle, as you can see, so it should be pretty straightforward, but it just looked neat. Getting the C off of the A and B. I think this one might be a little bit like the Key 1 and Key 2 puzzle. And you know those are some of my favorites. And this puzzle, it's backwards. It's backwards inside the box. It's called the Metal Teaser 2 Brain Twister.
We gotta open this one up and take a look. Come on.
Oh, there we go. Okay. Getting this ring off of this bolt, and obviously the bolt's not going to just come, the nut's just not going to come right off the bolt. Okay, so that's that puzzle. Oh, it's like Christmas. My kids are going to say, then I don't have to give you anything. Alright, Alcatraz. This one here I just thought looked really neat. The Alcatraz puzzle, trying to get the ball out of the prison. Okay. So I'll take a look at that one. This series should look familiar to anyone who's been watching the channel for a while. The Phantom puzzle I did on both channels. And this one here looks an awful lot like the Phantom puzzle to me. It's called the Triad.
Oh, no! And then, 2 more puzzles in here.
This one here is wrapped up. Oh, yeah. This one is a football puzzle. It comes in gold, silver, and like a brown that actually looks like a football. And I think, I'm going to break something here, but, oh, that's part of it seems like. I think it's got it's a magnetic, I mean, you can see that it's got plastic here holding it together. But this is a magnetic puzzle, so these pieces will come apart in a different way, and I imagine that has something to do with it. Or it's just the stand and the plastics holding it together. Yeah. Anyway, this one here will be kind of cool for sports enthusiasts who also like to do puzzles.
And the last puzzle in this box brings it up to 11 puzzles.
Save this one for last because it's a beast. Look at that, a trick lock puzzle. Has 2 keys, it has 2 key holes. This will definitely be the most challenging lock puzzle I've shown on this channel yet. So that'll be really fun. And there it is. So these ones are all from puzzlemaster.ca. Again, they're shipping it from Canada. But if you order from Canada or the US and your order is over $100, free shipping. And you'll get a 5% discount if you use the code Buffington while you're making an order. I'll have links to all of these, and you can know they are going to be on my channel in not too long. I'll show solutions, also show me frustrated trying to solve them. We'll get all of that as we move through these different puzzles. I hope that video was fun for you, watching me open up a box of puzzles. I'm very excited about it if you can't tell by my voice, and I hope that you guys have a wonderful day.